Hello guys, Anil here. Welcome back to the another session on Code Tutor. This time it will be slightly different. The first video in Dummies series is mobile application development for dummies. When I say mobile application development, some of the very commonly raised questions are what are all the different technologies that do I use, where they all fit in together. People hear so many different names, HTML5, jQuery, Titanium, Sencha, Xamarin. How do I use these in mobile application development? If I am going to use those, where do they fit in the overall landscape of the mobile application development? And this is exactly the type of questions I used to get a lot from the different set of people that I have interacted over the last few years. And it is to solve this particular confusion, I am going to take you through this particular small video. The mobile application development MAD can mainly be done in three ways, that is mobile web, native, and cross platforms. And if you are using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery Mobile, Sencha, and responsive web design purely and rendering them in the web browser, then the methodology that you are following is mobile web. And in case if you are using any programming languages like Java in case of Android, a Swift or Objective-C in case of iOS, C Sharp and .NET in case of Windows, then you are using a native development approach. Cross platforms can be basically subcategorized into three ways, that is web, cross compiled, and MIPS. MIPS stands for mobile enterprise application platforms. Some people even call them as MADPs, mobile application development platforms. They are one and the same. Technologies that you see in web based cross platforms are pretty much the same. HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery Mobile, Sencha, even responsive web design. But other than these, there are two more typically used technologies, PhoneGap, Cordova. And if you see some of the technologies that I have mentioned here, they are pretty much similar to what you have seen in the mobile web. So I can say the cross-platform web philosophy is amalgamation of mobile web and these other two technologies that I said, Cordova and PhoneGap. And in case of cross compiler, some of the technologies you tend to hear are Titanium and Xamarin. And in case of MIPS, SMP, that is a SAP mobile platform, IBM Worklight, Kony, these are all things come under this particular category. So if you just try to get the whole picture, this is how the overall mobile application development technology landscape looks like. Okay, I know all these technologies, or I know some of these technologies. Which one should I choose? What are the advantages of mobile web? When should I go with the native? If at all I am going to go with the cross platform, what are the advantages? How to go ahead with any one particular methodology is a very good question to ponder about before you get started with the mobile application development. And that is something that I am going to address in the next video.